And you guys know, once the tip is all the way in, the rest will follow, right? Okay guys, we're gonna get the headrest covers removed. There is different versions of these headrests. When they're molded, the cover is not removable. All these are not molded, so the covers come off from every headrest. So the challenge, guys, is if you want to take this cover off intact, you're gonna have to compress the whole foam. It's a different process, so we don't really go that way. We just cut it. But if you were to save this cover, it's a much elaborated process because you have to compress the whole headrest. So not ideal. So this is how it's gonna be. Some people might say, oh, I want to sell my covers because I want to sell them. It's fair. Well, in this case, these are not really clean. This is a 2022 truck. They're dirty. They're not really for that. Brand new car without many miles. Possible. But if it's more labor involved, obviously, it is a cost involved to that. Other than that, this is the process. Very savage, but very effective. So we are not really sentimental about the old covers. We want leather in the end. So this is our goal, to put the leather. There you have it, guys. Let's continue. Okay, now we are gonna be doing the headrest. Keep in mind, guys, when we remove all the nylon, I mean the covers for the headrest, we retain the nylon, the plastic is still there. So that's gonna help. Now, I have seen different videos. Sometimes you need the vacuum just to compress all this foam. So it makes the installation so simple because everything will be squished. But if you don't have or you don't want to buy such a tool because you're only gonna use it once, this is the easy way to install this. So the whole idea is you're gonna compress the foam with your hand over the benchwork, over the table, so you can get it inside the cover. So that's the whole dynamic. And as you notice, it was simple, it was not that complicated. So, because guys, we are demystifying the installation process. It's not that difficult. We tell you that before. And now we want to set the clip in place. Let's fix the seam allowances. Those are fine. Just want to be sure that all the alignment in the cover is in order before you do the clipping. Now for this you can do so many things, but let's do it this way now. Sometimes I use a different tool because it's more simple. There you have it, guys. That's the headrest number one. Let's do the little one. How do you assess which one is the front? Just by the shape. This is longer. Same here. That's by the shape. This is the longer side. So let's get it done. This is easy. Still, you can take it to a trimmer so they can do the installation for you. What do you have more, time or money? And those are not my phrases. There is this guy, his name is Todd Hartley. He does video teaching for now. And I asked the question, you know, hey, I have a developer building my website, but a senior development is too expensive, so I have this junior developer. It's more affordable. What should I do? And he told me, Elicio, what do you have more, time or money? Because if you have money, you know, hire the senior. If you have time to fix all the mess, hire the junior. That's how we win. Guys, that's number 2. Let's do one rear one. This is one front, this is the center in the rear, this is the rear one. And again, if you notice the face, it has double stitch, the back doesn't have it. So that's the way we know. And if you pay attention, don't be fooled by the shape of the headrest. The flat side is the front. So I recommend sometimes people to mark them before when they remove it, they put an F in the bottom leg so you know which one is the front, so you don't get confused. Especially if you're doing this for the first time. Same process. And you guys know, once the tip is all the way in, the rest will follow, right? Only the tip, we say. That's all it needs. Let's try this one. It's more. Only the tip. They told my sister and I become an uncle. There you have it, guys. The rear, the center in the rear, and the front one. I'm gonna do the same for the other two, but you already know the process.